Have you ever felt disconnected? Like your life is missing something profound? Imagine, imagine if an ancient practice could bring you back to yourself and elevate your everyday existence. Stay tuned because today we're unlocking the secrets of ancient ritual that will nourish your soul. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. Today, we're going to discuss 3 rituals, and you'll want to stay tuned for the bonus of full moon ritual. Let's talk about the power of daily ritual. In a world where speed is everything, creating a daily ritual can help ground us. Rituals are intentional acts that are meant to honor and connect us to ourselves and our environment. When you light a candle at dawn or sip tea with awareness, you're not only establishing a routine, you're building a sanctuary for your soul. Number 2, using breath as an anchor. Breath is life. In various ancient traditions, mindful breathing is celebrated as an essential tool for calming the mind. Spending just a few minutes a day on intentional breathing can relieve stress and improve mental clarity. Imagine starting each day with a few deep breaths, embracing calm, clarity, and focus. Deep breathing is one of the most cost-effective and simplest ways that patients can move their healing from one end of the spectrum to a completely different one. It is that impactful, and you don't realize it until you start doing it or you have stopped doing it. So give it a shot. Number 3, the transformative effect of journaling. Journaling may seem like a modern trend. The roots of self-reflection run deep in ancient practices. Using pen and paper allows for a physical connection that digital devices just can't provide. It also helps to declutter your mind and unlock creativity, serving as a dialogue with the deeper you. Now for the bonus. A practice that stands the test of time is the full moon ritual. Historically, communities have gathered under the full moonlight to release what's no longer serving them and to set intentions for the weeks to follow. Even in isolation, creating a ceremony at home, perhaps with a meditation or bath, can be a profound reset for your soul. So why not try it? How would your life change if you allowed yourself the time to integrate these soulful rituals? I'd love to hear about your experiences, so please share them in the comments. What are your rituals? What do you like to do? What helps you get set for the month ahead or the weeks ahead? I want to thank you for walking the longevity path with Dr. Ava at AcYou Health, where our mission is to put you back in health. For more transformative content like this, if you found it helpful, make sure you click the like and the subscribe button and get this information out to people that need this, that need these rituals. Help others by clicking the like and subscribe so that we can push this out to anybody that is in need. So until then, stay rooted, radiant, and beautifully balanced. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.